Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Students, we already discussed about the Composer software in this in the previous video. We were discussing about standard 12 computer subject chapter number 1 HTML forms with the help of Composer, and now we will prepare a registration form with the help of Composer. Before I start my lecture, as per your demand, I decide that I will conduct one MCQ exam on Saturday. Okay, so according to time schedule, today is 7th October, and on 10th of October we have a test. Okay, so test is compulsory for all the students. I will put the test paper with the help of Google form in our school 12 standard group, and I will also put the link of the test in the description of this video, but on the day of test, means right now when you see the description you will not get the link will be available on the Saturday. So those who are interested, please participate. Those who are interested means for other students. For Fatima Convent High School students, test is compulsory. Okay, I repeat, for Fatima Convent High School students, test is compulsory. Okay, so we would like to go ahead with a understanding part of how to prepare registration form. Okay, so concentrate. The first point is create a new file. That is the first point. So this is Composer. We have Composer, and we create a new file over here. And in Composer we have to do further work. Okay, so we will deal with that. You can able to see here the point is mentioned. From the menu bar, select insert form and define form. As I told you, this pink writing is a menu sequence, and that can be asked in exam. So I will follow exactly the same: insert form and define form. We will go for the same: insert form and define form. Okay, insert form and define form, we follow the same sequence. I hope you are able to see this: insert form and define form. So when you go for insert form and define form, it asks for the form name, action URL and method. So here form name is form2, action URL form2.html, and method is post. So I will type the same thing: form2.html and method is post. Okay, press OK. A form will be displayed showing the light blue colored outline, and press enter key to create space in the form. This part can be asked in exam: light blue colored outline. So please mark that. So I click on OK. I hope you can able to see light blue dotted outline, and if you press enter key, the area increase. All your form related creativity has to be expressed in this. Now to give the heading to the form, select heading 1 from format toolbar 1, and in format toolbar 2 select center align icon and enter the text registration form. Okay, so I will follow the same sequence. First sequence is what? In format toolbar 1 we have to choose heading 1. Second instruction, center align in format toolbar 2. So we will follow that. This is format toolbar 1, this is format toolbar 1, and this is format toolbar 2. Here we have a center align, and here we have a heading 1. Okay, so we will click over here. As you can see, here we have heading 1. So I click on that, and then I click on center align in format toolbar 2. This is center align, and now I write registration form. Okay, then to insert label, click on form and define label, form and define label, and type first name in the field name. Okay, so we'll follow that. We follow the sequence. Insert, form, define label. Look at the sequence. Insert, form, define label. Okay, and then I will write first name. Now the most important point in practical exam where the students make mistake. Click outside and go for space. Okay. Now after that, next, to insert input field for the label first name, click on form and form field. We have to follow sequence, that is form and form field, and select the text in the field type menu. So we will follow the same form and form field. Insert, form, form field. So here we can able to see text. We will provide the field name. You can write any name. I write FN and I click on the OK button. I hope you can able to see the box is available. Select the text in the field type menu, which I already did, and figure 1.7 shows the form field properties dialog box, and then according to that we have to press OK. They mention first name, I mention FN, name can be anything. Okay, and I press enter. So you can able to see blinking cursor is here. The next instruction on page number 15, similarly insert label, middle name and last name in the form, and the form after adding the field will look similar to the one shown in figure 1.18. So here we have to follow first name, middle name and last name we have to prepare. So we will prepare the same. Insert, form, but first define label. Insert, form, define label. Then I write middle name. I click outside. I go for some space. Then I go for insert, form, form field, because I want to create text box. So insert, form, form field. It is text right now. We want text, and here I write MN, middle name, and I click on OK button. Again I press enter. Again I create label. Insert, form, define label, and then I write last name. I click outside and I go for space. Insert, form, form field. It is text only. I will mention LN, last name, and OK. So our part of text box, first name, middle name, last name is over. Now we need to create radio button for the gender field. So first create the label name, gender. So we'll create the label. Insert, form, define label, and we will write gender. We click outside and we go for space. For creating radio button, click on form, form field, and select the field type. Please underline, select field type as radio button. Here we have a field type. Once it asks that under field type what to select. Field type means this area. Remember, from diagram also MCQ can be possible. So you need to prepare them. So field type is radio button. Name of all the radio button is same. So here gender is a name. Value what is required to submit, that is male and initially selected. So we will follow the same sequence. We go for insert, form, form field. Now no text. In the place of text, what we have to select is radio button. Group name, gender, value, male, initially selected. So If nobody select anything, automatically it understand as male. I click on OK button, and I hope you can able to see radio button is available. Now beside this radio button, what is to be done? See, now type the name of the group name box. Note that the name should not be contain space. They are saying that when you are preparing the radio button, okay, at that time you need to see that the name of this radio button should not contain space. And here we have entered the group name as gender. Similarly, in the field value text we type male. If we want male option of the radio button selected when the form is loaded, then check the box in front of initially selected. So I already put initially selected, and I click on OK button. Then insert label with the title male near the radio button created. So I will create label, insert, form, define label, and I mention male. I will click outside, go for space. Then similarly create another radio button named female. Remember, underline, when we create the radio button within a group, the group name must be the same for all possible answer. Hence, enter the group name as gender, and in the field value text box type female and click on OK button. So we will follow this. Insert, form field, radio button, group name, gender, value, female, and OK. So radio button is available. Click beside this radio button, and now the instruction is insert a label female near the radio button created, and the form after inserting radio button and labels will look as shown in figure 1.20 like this. So now we have to put a label, insert, form, define label, female. Click outside after you complete the label and press enter. So your cursor will go in down direction, and what is showing over here exactly same we prepared. Next, now we need to add hobby field. As a person can have more than one hobby, hence multiple selection of hobbies are possible. Thus, we need to create checkbox for the hobby field and create a label for hobby. Now first we create label, insert, form, define label, hobby, outside, okay, and then now click on form field, and from the drop down menu select checkbox field type, enter in the field name box and a value in the field value box as shown in figure 1.21, and check the box in front of initially selected so as to keep the option checked when the form loads, and click on OK button. You can able to see in the field type checkbox, field name hobby, and field value singing, and initially checked. So we'll follow the same sequence. Insert, form field, no text, but we have to select checkbox. Then in field name, in the field name hobby is mentioned, so we write hobby, and then we write singing and initially check. Checkbox, hobby, singing, initially check. Now I click on OK button. I hope you can able to see the square shape available, that is checkbox. Insert label singing near the checkbox. So we will add label over here, insert, form, define label, singing, Okay, then next. Similarly, create two check boxes with the field values dancing and reading respectively. So we need to go for dancing and reading. Okay, remember to keep the field name same for all the option of checkbox. We keep the name hobby only, and we prepare the two checkbox dancing and reading, and then we insert label also dancing and reading near the checkbox is created, and then the form will look like as shown in figure 1.22. So let's go for that. Insert form field, checkbox, field name hobby, field value dancing, and click on OK button. Now to insert label, insert form define label dancing. I click outside, go for space. One more checkbox, insert form field, checkbox hobby, field value reading. Now to create label, insert form field, label define label, insert form define label, and then we write here reading. Okay, now I click outside and press enter. So it is how available in page is figure 1.22. Next is we need to create the address field. As the user enter large text in the address field, we will keep the field type as text area. So first create the label name address. We'll create the label, insert form define label and address. We click outside and we go for some space. Then we will go for further instruction. Now click on, please underline form and text area. This will open text area properties dialog box as shown in figure 1.23. Remember, menu sequence change, form and text area. Till now what we are doing, insert form, okay, either form field or define label, but now things are changed. Insert form and text area. See, insert form and text area. So this is your text area properties. I will click, so it will enlarge more properties. Now what we have to do in this dialog box, look at this. Enter the field name. Here I will enter the field name, that is the name of the box is address, number of rows and number of columns. Here we will keep number of rows 5 and column 70. And in the initial text field, we enter suitable text which can be displayed when the form loads. Like here they add initial text, insert address here. So we'll also go for insert address here. So rows 5, column I put less because I have a less width. So I put 25, and then I put initial text, insert address here. Now click on OK button. I hope you can able to see the text area box is available. I press enter, so I go down. Now we will insert city field. So add a label for the city field. The user will be asked to select the city from the drop down menu. So we need to create city field using selection list option. Okay, so first we create the label, insert form define label city, and then we go for some space. Then we have menu sequence, please underline form and selection list. So we go for form, then we go for selection list, and this will open selection list properties dialog box as shown in figure 1.22. So we'll go for insert, form and selection list. One more way is there, for everything what I move my mouse cursor, for everything we have a form and selection list. Like this way also it is possible. And here we have to provide the information. Type the name city in the field name box and press add option button. So we type city in the list name box and then we click on add option. Now next type Ahmedabad in the text field. See, this is text. In text field write Ahmedabad. Now after typing Ahmedabad, again press add option to add the city Baroda, likewise add city Rajkot and Surat. Now we will go for, but one thing is there. Remember to select the option initially selected when adding Rajkot city. So when you insert add Rajkot city, you have to see this option initially selected. Okay. So now we click on add button. Add option. Baroda, then add option. Then Rajkot, but Rajkot initially selected and add option. And then Surat. Okay. So Ahmedabad, Baroda, Rajkot, Surat. Default is Rajkot. And click on OK button. So we will click on OK button. See. And here pull down menu is available or selection list is available. Next we will add the submit button. So click on form field, and from the drop down menu select submit button and enter the text submit in the field name also and fill the field value text box respectively. We follow the same thing. I press enter, I go for some space, here I go for insert, form field, again same thing, insert form and form field, and then I select here submit button. See here submit is there, so I select submit button. In the field name and field value I write submit only, and now I will click on OK button. So submit button is ready. Next, similarly we will add the reset button. From the drop down menu select reset button, enter the text reset in the field name and field value text box respectively and click on OK button, and the final form in the normal will be as shown in figure 1.26. So how to create reset button? Insert, form field, and then here instead of submit we have to select reset button. In field name and field value we will write reset and OK. So here your form related creativity is over, and it will show how it look like in a normal view. Next instruction on page number 20, save the file with the name example2, okay, and then click on preview mode. So we'll do one thing, we click to save. As I told you, in Composer whenever you try to save the file, first you have to provide title, that is example2, and the name of the file is also example2. and I'm saving on desktop. I click on save button. Now as you can see on right hand side corner, right now we are in normal. Now we will click on preview. So if I click on preview, see how it look like. Okay, same as how it is given on figure 1.28. So now what is next? Observe that the form background is white color. So if you want to give a background color to the form, go to format, page color and background. Please remember the menu sequence. It is page colors and background. Be careful. This will open dialog box as shown in figure 1.29. So we will go for format, page colors and background. Format, page colors and background. And in this page colors and background, these are buttons called palette. These are known as palette. Okay. Now if you tick on reader's default color, means it will the color set by composer. But suppose you want to custom, you want to change, then you have to clarify which color you want to change. We want to change background color, so we will click on this. If you want to put any photograph in background as an image, then you have to select the path, you have to select the URL, you have to select in which folder you keep the photograph. We have to select background palette to change the background color. So see the point. Select use custom color option and click on background option and select the color of your choice from the block background color dialog box. I repeat, block background color dialog box as shown in figure 10.30, and click on OK button. Okay, we'll do it. We click on this palette of background under use custom color. So it open block background color. Here I will select the background color, and the moment when I click on OK button, I will come back to page colors and background dialog box. Look at this. It comes over here. This will lead you to back the dialog box shown in figure 1.29 again, and click OK button. So now we will click on OK button, and I hope you can able to see it is matched with the textbook 1.31. View the form using browser and observe the change in the background color. So here we have option called browse. If you click on this, it will show you in browser. So I click on browse button, and it will show me how it will look like in the browser. See how it look like in the browser. Okay. So this is what you have to learn. And practical exam, now I would like to clarify, you have to create the same thing like how it is asked. I will do one thing in my next video. I will demonstrate one sample practical exam video, so you will understand how it will ask in practical exam. Another important thing, students, is here the theoretical approach of chapter 1 is over. Okay. And I would like to clarify that in according to announcement of Gujarat Secondary Education Board, in chapter 1 nothing is omit, means every point, everything of chapter 1 is a part of syllabus. If students wants, then only I will prepare one video about which topic removed chapter wise in English. Okay. In Gujarati you already got it from your class group. Okay. So I will wait for your comments. 3 announcement, very important. On Saturday, the test is compulsory for all Fatima Convent High School students of standard 12th Commerce and 12th Science. I repeat, it is compulsory. You can able to get the paper by 2 ways. Either you need to go to your class group on Saturday, or else on Saturday in this video's description you will get the paper. Okay, nearby after 11 o'clock, morning 11 o'clock onwards, you may get the paper in the description part of the video. Okay, so this is what I want to clarify. So now next we will move on chapter number 2, but I will wait for your response whether you want me to translate the latest syllabus for this academic year in English. Kindly reply in comment section, and next video we will go for 2 parts, one practical exam related to how to solve chapter 1 practical exam, and chapter 2 also. Okay, till then if you have any doubt, most welcome, you can ask me anytime through the comment section or through WhatsApp. Alright, till then please take care of yourself, students. Thank you so much.